Good morning, everybody. It's Taylor. Welcome back to my channel. I am back with another what in a day. Are we even surprised at this point? Probably not, but this one is specifically a quick and healthy recipes with Trader Joe's favorites of mine. If you've been subscribed to my channel for a while, then you probably know that I get all of my groceries from Trader Joe's. I love filming hauls from there, favorites videos, and all of that. So I thought this would be a fun take on a what in a day. And I know you guys are gonna love these meals because they're so freaking good and just perfect go-tos for the summertime. And I would love to know which meal you guys like the best, so definitely let me know in the comments. But without further ado, I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you have a sweet craving in the morning, then this recipe is for you. So for breakfast today, I'm gonna be making some oatmeal with some yummy toppings. Oatmeal is actually really good for the booty gains, which I'm trying to work on, so we love that. And it also has tons of great vitamins and minerals, and it's actually been proven to reduce the risk of heart disease, so even better. And it's just such a quick and easy thing to whip up in the morning if you're in a rush or something, and it will actually keep you full until lunchtime, so it's perfect. This is such a simple recipe, guys. Like, these are literally all the ingredients you will need besides water. So first of all, we just have this Trader Joe's unsweetened instant oatmeal. Really love this one because it's a really nice texture. Like, it's not too gooey or not too thick. It's just perfect. It comes in these nice individual packets, so it makes it really easy to throw in a bowl. And it also has very minimal ingredients. So it's made with whole grain oats, quinoa, and amaranth with flax seeds and chia seeds. Like, those are literally all of the ingredients in this oatmeal. For the toppings, you can either do one whole banana or half of it. I usually do half because I usually make one for my boyfriend too and just split it between the bowls. Another must-have topping is some granola, so we can add some crunch to this bowl. This Ancient Grains and Nuts granola from Trader Joe's is actually their granola with the least amount of sugar. But yeah, this one is really good. And then for the last thing on the top of my oatmeal, I'm gonna be adding a little bit of this cookie butter. It's so freaking amazing. Like, I can't even tell you how good it is. Serving size is 2 tablespoons, and I usually just do like half a tablespoon so I don't get all of those calories. But yeah, it just makes the oatmeal so freaking yummy. Melting the cookie butter this time because I thought it would be a little more presentable, and it turned out pretty fire, so I will definitely do that from now on. Nala is crying over there. Usually just mix everything together so it is not as pretty anymore. I feel like oatmeal usually looks really disgusting, but it's actually freaking amazing. So I don't know why that is. Just like once you mix it up, it just doesn't look as appetizing, but it tastes like freaking heaven, so. Alright guys, it is time for our workout of the day. This is your friendly reminder to do the same. Move that body because you only regret the workout that you didn't do. Hello, is that my girl behind me? What are you doing? My cutie. Hi. I think I'm just gonna do some cardio today on the treadmill because I trained abs yesterday and I had a leg day the other day and I'm still pretty sore from it. So we are doing cardio. This is probably like my least favorite day, but I just watched some YouTube videos while I'm on the treadmill and it actually helps pass the time a lot quicker. So, and I'm gonna do this treadmill workout that I really like. It's called 9-3-30. It's basically an incline of 9, 3 speed for 30 minutes. It sounds pretty chill, but you actually do work up a really great sweat. So let's get it.
Baby, it's 2:30. I should probably head back home, but I'm afraid to be alone. What do I need to do to get some time with you? I'd rather be half involved and missing all of you. Drinking till the sun comes up, better than feeling like I need your love.
Okay, so it is a bit later now. It's almost 3:30. I'm starting to get hungry for some lunch. We're actually gonna make this salad that I love. It's so flavorful and just perfect for summer because it is very refreshing. So yeah, I know you guys will love it. I don't know if I forgot to mention that I wanted these meals to be like really summer friendly because obviously summer is right around the corner. It's already summer here because I live in Arizona, but I know it's summer coming up for most people. Again, we have very minimal ingredients. So we have, of course, some lettuce, we got Parmesan cheese, some pesto. You can get this at Trader Joe's. It's their vegan kale, cashew, and basil pesto. It's really good. Then for some protein, we're gonna add some chicken strips. I'm also gonna add some avocado, tomatoes, and lastly, we're gonna top it off with these plantain croutons from Trader Joe's. They have garlic and sea salt. They're also gluten-free and vegan. These are such a great healthy alternative to regular croutons. I actually compared the two at Trader Joe's, and these were so much better. So a serving size is 1 tablespoon with 35 calories, 25 milligrams of sodium, and less than 1 gram of sugar. And when I compared these to the normal croutons had way more calories and they had way more sodium. So yeah, these are just a really great healthy substitute. You won't even know the difference. Like, they're so delicious and they just add a nice crunch to your salad. Oops, I forgot to mention I'm also gonna be adding a little of this Trader Joe's Caesar dressing. I just use like half a serving because it's not the cleanest, unfortunately, so I just like to use just a little bit of it with the pesto, and then I feel like, you know, it's not that bad.
You're farther than a kiss on the phone. There's things about you I'll never know. I hope that one day we'll be in love when you're not far away. You really make me wanna fly. Cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. When I go to sleep at night. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night.
Just love a colorful salad. Like, this looks so yummy, and then you just mix it all together. You get the pesto and the Caesar all mixed together. Salad is so delicious though. Don't mind all of Nola's toys on the ground in the background, but this is a very flavorful salad. I highly recommend trying it out. Super easy to make, like literally takes under 10 minutes. If you're not a salad lover, then this will probably convince you that you love salads because it is that good. What's up, guys? It is like 8 o'clock right now. I'm getting very sleepy and I am very hungry, so we're gonna make some dinner. On tonight's menu, we are making a healthier comfort meal. It is so good. So first, we're making these chili lime chicken burgers. They're so yummy. They actually have really clean ingredients for a frozen meal, like super clean. Like, I'm really shocked at how clean it is for a frozen food. This is just very unheard of. So yeah, these are a must-have from Trader Joe's. They're so good. And then on the side of that, we're gonna be making some sweet potatoes. These are the Trader Joe's sweet potato frites, I guess, fries in French, but these ones are really good. I make them all the time. I love making them in my air fryer, but you could definitely make them in your oven too. This happens to me every time I make these burgers. I cannot freaking remember that you're supposed to leave them out to unthaw for a few hours before you make them. Like, that is just such an extra thing that I just never remember to do. So I always end up just putting them in my microwave to unthaw them. Whatever, I guess. So we got the burgers cooking. I'm now gonna put in the sweet potato fries. I probably should have put them in before I did this, but whatever. So I'm just gonna cook these at 400 degrees for 8 minutes, and then I'm gonna flip them and do it for another 4 minutes. Also watching an episode of Shameless because it's just such a great thing to pass the time while you're cooking.
good.
This is the part of the video you don't usually see, which is all of the dishes that pile up at the end of the day. So I'm actually gonna wash these right now so I can wake up to a clean space. Alright, everything is all clean. I'm actually gonna have a little dessert now. I am pretty full, but you know, there's always room for dessert. So I'm just gonna have some of these Trader Joe's dark chocolate covered blueberries. I've mentioned these several times on my channel because they are seriously so good, and I just feel like they're a really good healthy alternative to some other desserts. There's 17 pieces in one serving, which is kind of crazy, and I don't even ever have like 17. I feel like I just grab like a handful and that satisfies me. So Noah, what is you doing, girl? But yeah, I just thought this was a fun video idea since I love Trader Joe's so much. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Definitely let me know which meal was your favorite. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.